All right, so I think you guys are really gonna like this one. It's super easy, super simple, and super cute. So we're gonna start by drawing Cinnamoroll's eyes. So I'm going in with a blue marker because one of the most noticeable things about Cinnamoroll are his blue eyes. So we're not gonna make them black, we're gonna make them blue. And then once we have his blue eyes done, we're gonna draw his mouth. His mouth is basically a sideways 3. And then we can go ahead and draw the side of his face. So there's his cheek, and then the top of his head. He's got basically an oval for a head. All right, sweet. Then we can draw his ears. He has some really long ears. So much so that people think Cinnamoroll is a bunny. He's actually a dog, but I can see where people would think he's a bunny because look how long these ears are. So we have a little bit of a gap at the top and the bottom of the ear because we're going to draw this beautiful star wand. So we got to leave some room. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and draw his little bow tie. So it's basically an oval and then 2 shapes on the side and then a line in the middle of each one. Then we're going to go ahead and draw that star we were just talking about. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then we're going to draw the staff. So we're going to try to make these lines as straight as we can. And then leave a little bit of room so we can draw his paw. And then at the very end of the staff, there is his circle. And we're going to draw another circle for his paw. Just like that. Then we can finish drawing his head. Doot, 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 doot. We're going to connect these two, so we're going to draw a line right there. Then we're going to draw his other arm. His other arm. It's kind of like this U shape, where one side's a little bit longer than the other. And then another line, slightly curved for his tummy. And we're drawing Cinnamoroll sitting down, so we're going to draw 1 foot. So it's like a curved line and then it goes up. And then we're going to do another one. Exact same shape. It's like drawing like half of a heart. And then we'll draw his back. And then here's my favorite part, drawing his tail. We're basically drawing this really big spiral. And his tail looks like a little Cinnamoroll. How cute is that? So you can go ahead and color Cinnamoroll. I added blue for shadow, pink for his cheeks,